What are we doing?
So we are fixing a relay that is how old now?
41.
41 years old. And we took it apart. And Drew cleaned these little contacts in here so that they actually will work. We know that the servo motor works because you can hear it click when the key goes on, but it wasn't making contact, so the fuel pump was not running.
Yep.
So now that these contacts are all clean, we're going to take a picture of this. Did you get a picture?
I do right now. Yeah.
Is that a good angle?
Yep. Good stuff.
Okay. So we cleaned it all up. Now let's make sure that we have this in the proper direction. You said read that with this tongue down, right?
Yep, correct.
So we're going to reinsert it in the box. And we're going to
just like in Cuba.
Seal it up. Gotta love these parts that you can actually take apart and service.
That's right.
So we did this while we were eating breakfast.
Yep. Yeah, it was eggs and electromechanical. That's how we roll.
All right, so now it's sealed up again.
Nice and tight.
And we are ready to roll.
See you at the bus.
See you at the bus.